In this week's video, you will learn how to make a simple vase in less than 1 minute. So you're going to hit Create Sketch and choose a construction plane. And then you simply are going to create whatever form or shape that you desire. We're going to do something really simple here. And when you're happy with your design, you have to offset your design. Simple as that. We'll go with 1 millimeter thickness for this example. And then we need to close the design. So I'll scroll in with my mouse wheel and I'll just scroll there. I push the button on my mouse and move down here and close here as well. And now I am going to finish the sketch. Go over to Create here and hit Revolve. The profile is selected by default. So now you have to select Axis and what kind of operation you want. And we are going to create a new body for this example. So hit the axis and you see that this one goes 360 degrees. But if you want to go, let's say 180 degrees or more or less, you can do that as well. But we're going to go for full enclosure and hit OK. And now we have our vase or whatever this is. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and see you next week for next Fusion 360 tips and tricks. Thank you and goodbye.